Alright, we heading back now. Alright, JJ, how you guys have? You have fun or what?
Yeah.
Huh?
Take off the glasses.
Take off the glasses? She wanted Dad to take off the cool man shades. JJ, you like it, right? Huh, JJ? You like my glasses? She like my glasses. You like my glasses? Okay. I like my glasses. I think they're cool. Over here leaving. My man, you tell he from Jamaica. Look at the shoes. My man got the shoes with no socks on. That's really his feet right there, though. He got the little 1932 NFL cleats on. Huh? You just had like a whole thing of pizza. Still hungry? What about some ice cream or something?
Oh, yeah.
Some ice cream?
Hold on, girl.
Hold on. Oh.
Hey!
Scraping. Nah, it's cool. Come on. Watch out for that car.
It's okay, let you go.
Come on, guys. Come on. Acting all scared of the dogs. Stop trying to act all scared.